I'm Neil, and I'm the teacher.
And I'm Sean, and I'm the deal maker. Together,
We're the Rise Guys.
Welcome, I'm Neil. If you are getting ready for the RECA commercial real estate exam, you know it is all about spotting the traps. Today, we are going to break down a classic percentage rent question. It looks like a math problem, but trust me, it is really a logic test in disguise. Let us get into it. See a question loaded with numbers, percentages, and dollar signs. Your brain instantly wants to start punching numbers into a calculator. But what if all that work is a complete waste of time? That is the exact trap we are going to pull apart today. A tenant has monthly sales of $45,000. The lease says they pay 5% percentage rent, but only on sales over an annual threshold of $600,000. The key phrase most people skim over is above a specified threshold. Percentage rent does not kick in on every dollar. It only starts after the tenant crosses that line, and notice that really important word, annual. Before you touch your calculator, there is one critical question you have to answer first. Check if the conditions for percentage rent have even been met. The threshold is annual, but they gave you a monthly sales figure. You have to compare apples to apples. Take $45,000 monthly and multiply by 12. That gives you $540,000 in total annual sales. Put that next to the $600,000 threshold, and the answer becomes obvious. The tenant's total sales for the year never even reached the target. The percentage rent clause was never triggered. It is like a light switch that was never even flipped on. How much percentage rent is owed? A big fat zero, nothing, not a single penny. All those numbers in the question were just a distraction. Here's your new game plan, a simple 4-step process for any math question. 1, read the whole thing carefully. 2, find all the conditions and thresholds. 3, check if those conditions have actually been met. And 4, only then, if it is even necessary, do you start calculating. This will save you so much time and keep you from falling into these kinds of traps. RECA wants to see if you can read a situation correctly and apply the rules exactly as they are written. They need to know that you understand the conditions that have to be met before a formula is even relevant. Train yourself to think about the why and the when before you jump to the how. The more you do this, the more prepared you will be for anything the exam throws at you before you go. New webinar summary every week. Subscribe so you never miss one.